Greetings, friends. Taylor here, and you know why I'm here. I went to Five Below again. All right, let's see what we got in this. See what we got in here. Starting with let's see. No, let's find something kind of fun. All right, starting with found a little Dungeons and Dragons looking book. Not entirely sure what's in here, but I thought for $5, maybe there's some fun stuff in here. I'll have to let my DM take a look at it. That didn't sound good at all. All right, let's see what else we got here. Ooh, here we go. Okay, if you're wondering what this is a fry holder. You might be thinking this is kind of stupid, and it is, but believe it or not, I actually I was in a situation recently where I could have used this. So that's a keeper. Absolutely. All right, what else we got in here? All right, what's this little guy? Oh, this was just ridiculous looking. This is 200 classic games. Oh, I'm sure they're all classic and not legitimately shovelware, right? And what's kind of fun about this is it looks like it can actually be connected to a television. So maybe I could test these out on the stream. That'd be kind of fun, right? Whatever. That's cheap. All right, let's see. Oh, this is kind of cool. Yes, I found a little Super Saiyan Goku thing because that is just excellent. All right, what else we got? All right, we're getting into some fun stuff. Oh, here we go. All right, boom. This is a little wired gaming keyboard. You know it's a cheap gaming keyboard because they try to make it look as edgy as possible. So I am going to use that. We're going to see how that works out in a game one of these days. Of course, you can't have a gaming keyboard without a matching gaming mouse, which just looks equal levels of quality, right? Those things are like $10 a piece. Absolutely great stuff. Here's an interesting little guy here. A ring-sized phone remote. Probably would have been useful for this video because I'm not sure where I put my little clicker. Might have noticed I don't have it on me. I got a couple. They're floating around somewhere. I just didn't want to go search for them too long. But I'm actually curious to see how well this works out. I'll try that for a video. Let's put that over with the gaming keyboard and mouse. What else we got here? It's a gift for my sister. I just wanted to give that a dramatic pause and see how you react. Well, it's not like I can see how you react, but you get my point, right? Okay. And last, but certainly not least. Ooh, I'm looking forward to this. This is great. This is a nice little Dungeons and Dragons throw blanket. Look at that. Look at the artwork on that. That I am really looking forward to adding this to the pile on my couch here. Other wonderful Five Below blankets. I got my gaming one and my Tetris one. That is some good stuff. What I want to do with this? Fantastic. You might be wondering what this little bad boy is here. That is my drawing glove. It has it's covered here, so if you're using like a touch screen, some sort of drawing monitor, it locks the contact. It only notices obviously this is just a pencil, but stylus. So that is one of the most useful things I learned in high school, is how to spin a pencil in your fingers. All right, so I think we're gonna call it at that. Farewell, friends.